Today we're making cake in 5 minutes without oven. Yes, you heard that right, cake in 5 minutes. Let's quickly begin. Take a bowl and add the following: 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 2/3 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 3/4 cup sugar, 3 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 cup plus 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 3/4 cups plus 2 tablespoons warm water and 2 teaspoons melted butter. Mix it all finely. Pour the mixture into a microwave-safe dish, should be lined with parchment paper, and bake for 5 to 8 minutes. This depends if after 5 minutes the cake hasn't finished baking. Continue to bake for another 2 to 3 minutes until it's done. Now let's prepare the frosting. Take 1/2 cup cream cheese, 1/2 cup sugar and 2/3 cup cocoa powder. Mix everything well and chill for 20 minutes. Let me give you a pro tip, that is, the cake is ready when a toothpick inserted in the center of the cake comes out clean. Apply the icing evenly. Cake should not be microwaved for more than 8 minutes. Hope you liked our video. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy.